All right, so let's implement Unshift. The first thing we'll do is create a new node with the value passed in. Okay, so we have Unshift, which takes a value, and we'll just make new node equals new node with that value. All right, then what we're gonna do is check if the list is empty, if the length is 0. Or that's just one way of doing it. If this dot length equals 0, we could also do if not this dot head. If that's the case, we're going to set this dot head equals new node and this dot tail equals new node. Okay. Next up, I have 4 equals. There we go. Otherwise, set the previous property on the head of the list to be the new node. So we'll do else the previous property on the head. So this dot head dot previous equals new node. Then we need to go the other direction. Set the next property on the new node to be the current head. So new node dot next equals this dot head, the current head. Not for long though, because we're now going to update the head to be the new node. This dot head equals new node. And then finally, increment the length and return the list. So that's going to be this dot length plus plus return this. So we return the entire list. Let's make sure it works. So I'm going to execute the code. And what do we have here? List with 3 things in it. Let's do list dot unshift. I think this is Harry Potter themed. Let's do, I don't know, Hagrid. Okay, if we look at list, the head now is Hagrid. Perfect. And it should be pointing to Harry, which it is, and there's no previous. Perfect. Let's just pop them all off or unshift. Let's do pop a couple times. Okay. Now we just have, what do we have? Is it empty? Yeah, it's empty now. Let's do list.unshift and make sure it works when it's empty. And it looks like it does. Yep, head and tail are both set properly. Okay.